Today I'll teach you guys how to get iOS 17 on your iPhone. Now iOS 17 is pretty easy to get. You just need to update your phone and you will get iOS 17. So what you need to do is go inside your iPhone setting and go on where it says general over here. And from inside of it, the second option where it says software update, click on it and it's going to show you update available. So in my case, iOS 16 update is available, so I can click on download and install. But the reason I'm not getting iOS 17 is because iOS 17 is only available for iPhone 13 and 14. So my iPhone is 10, that's why it's not showing me iOS 17. But if you have iPhone 13 and 14, it's going to show you iOS 17 instead of 16. So you can click on that update, and once you download and install the update of iOS 17, your iPhone will get iOS 17. That is basically the way on how you guys can get iOS 17 on your iPhone. So if you just follow the step which I just showed you, but when you're inside of general and it's not showing you iOS 17 update, that generally means it's not eligible for your iPhone, which means you don't have an iPhone 13 or 14, alright? That's how you guys can basically get iOS 17 on your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How To Guide. And a little notice to you guys, some website might say they can provide you iOS 17, or they might say to jailbreak your phone, but I will suggest you not to do that, because if you do that, you are going to be running a security risk, which means your account, your ID and your other stuff might get hacked and your iPhone might get damaged. So do not do that, because it's not going to work for any phone unless it's iPhone 13 and 14.